So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday 13th of November. Now let's just have a look what happened with prices. So over here we've got the 10th. We've had prices break below the 13.56. We've had a retest, and we do expect further continuation all the way down to 12.77. Now we haven't quite got down there. In and around this close to one. Well, it wasn't close to 113 actually. In around 13.20, we did see a turnaround in the US dollar against Japanese yen. So it broke back above this weekly, well not weekly, this strong horizontal line here. We do appear to be having a retest at the moment. So if we do have a hold, and we would expect further continuation to the upside, as well as an advert. Well, let's just get this right. So we are expecting continuation to the upside, particularly if we can hold above this 13.56. Our target is to head towards another test of 114.30. Now, if we do break down from the 113.56, again we'll be looking at 112.77 or 112.52. Those are the levels we'll be looking for, both to the upside and the downside. We are overall, we'll have a look at the higher time frames. Yes, we'll have a look at the higher time frames, but we have pulled back quite a bit from the yes, we have pulled back quite a bit from the 114.30. Well, we do appear to have found some momentum. We've found some momentum to drive us possibly towards the mindset. Sorry about that. It's a bit late, so the concentration is not as. Yep. So 114.30. That will be the upside target. It's a very strong level, so we may see some selling momentum from there. So from here, 114.30. Again, to the downside, we've already identified levels in around this 12.77 and 12.52. If we do break above 114.30, we'll be looking at 114.74. Now, we're just going to have a look at the higher time frames for wrapping up here. On the daily chart, let's grab the pen. As you can see here, we've had some selling from that 14.30. Again, some more selling from 14.30. So 14.30, very strong level. I'm expecting after the rejection we've had several rejections from 114.30. I can't imagine more. Yes, after the rejection, I can't imagine prices going beyond 114.30 and staying there at present in the current market. So overall, due to the fact that we have had resistance in around the 114.30, where I am looking for potential short opportunities, unless I am buying from horizontal support or dynamic levels of support for prices to head upwards. So I'm just going to have a look at the weekly and the monthly before finishing up. Bear with me a second. So on the weekly, sorry about that. I'm just thinking about something here. So on this weekly time frame, we can see here that we did appear to be breaking out from this 114.30, but we've fallen back into line, and we have had weakness coming into the market. Now we're going to have a look at the monthly chart. So on the monthly chart, again, we've had some buying momentum come into the market, and we've had a bullish month in October. Now for the month of November, we're putting in a bit of a doji, but that's due to the fact that we're up at resistance at the 114.30 level. So that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. We're looking for potentially for prices to head upwards in light of the most recent trend previously identified, and yes, we have to see how we react to the dynamic levels, and before we look towards the 114.30, if we do break down, we're looking for prices to go down to this 112.77. So that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.